heck out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Kiana. I wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. I wanted to do this sit down video just talking to you guys about my goals for 2022. I thought this would be fun and also holding myself accountable because I always love having my goals tangible, like written out and also online. I wanted to say for anybody who's watching my Vlogmas, I apologize because I didn't finish the last video. I didn't get the fourth one up because I got sick with a cold and I was really run down. I just didn't have it in me to film that video, so I'm really sorry to anyone who was looking forward to that video. Anyways, we are back and better. I haven't really had time to film because I just went to San Francisco. My friend had a birthday and we all did stuff for New Year's Eve, so that has been my life lately. Before I get into the goals, I wanted to recap my 2021. Overall, I feel like it was a really great year. I learned a lot about myself. I spent a lot of time alone still living with my parents and not being around friends all the time. One thing I want to point out is I feel like humans definitely have overcomplicated life, and I know that personal growth is something to look forward to and work towards, but at the end of the day, we are just floating on a rock and you don't really need to overthink a lot of things. So if you're ever feeling stressed, just remember we're all in this together. We're just trying to live, survive, make enough money to be comfortable. Maybe that goes against everything that I was saying, but I really do believe in working towards personal growth, but at the same time not overthinking everything. That was kind of like a big lesson of 2021. Overall, I can say 2021 was an amazing year. I feel like it went by really fast though, and I'm really sad because time just slips away as you get older. I hope you guys had a great year as well. This was actually the first year I went to Outside Lands, and I also went to Life is Beautiful in Vegas, and I feel like I had a lot of fun little social events happening, so I feel like it was a great year in terms of just meeting new people. I feel like another thing that I learned this year was just realizing that you're gonna have your more boring days, but I think growing up is accepting that and finding happiness and peace within those more simple days. You're just making the best out of your days regardless of what they consist of. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to just have a little wholesome chat with you guys, and I'm also really curious about some of your guys' goals. Please leave a comment down below if you're comfortable sharing any of the goals that you're working towards this year, because I would really love to know. My first goal is to become my strongest and happiest self. So I feel like you guys probably know I've been on like a fitness journey the past couple years now. As soon as I got home from college, I decided, because we have a gym at home, like my mom and sister into CrossFit, I had this gym at my disposal. I just started to learn everything in regards to lifting. I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but my senior year of college, I lost a lot of weight to where I was literally down to like 105 pounds. And I can say now that I'm 115, so it's been quite a journey since then. When I got home from college, I ended up working out a lot and learning from my mom and sister how to lift weights and stuff. I really fell in love with working out. I had never really worked out for the feeling before until this past couple years. 2021 was actually one of my most consistent working out years. I think once you start to get into routine, it becomes a lot easier and you feel way more motivated because it just feels like part of your life after that. That's why my first goal is just to become my strongest and happiest self, because I know that working out, I'm doing it for happiness, but also to look and feel healthy. Feeling strong in turn just makes you feel happy because you're proud of yourself. So that's my first goal. The second one is just to have a consistent workout routine, and this is a little different. I kept this separate just because I do want to have my routine back of just working out every night after work. Once you start getting into that routine, then your mind just automatically thinks like, Kiana, you're working out after work. I just want to have that consistent workout routine back, because in the wintertime, I do get really lazy. My third goal is to build a morning routine that sets me up for success. As soon as I started my marketing job, I've been starting to wake up like really late compared to when I had a job that required me to go into the office, because now I can just roll out of bed and start my work day on the laptop. So I've definitely been rolling out of bed at like 8:25, 8:30, and then just hopping straight on to work. But what really makes me feel better is waking up at least an hour before and having time to drink my coffee or drink my tea and just relax and not have to think about work immediately upon rising. I feel like it's good to be able to do other things in the morning. I feel like having a morning routine just gives you that sense of peace in the morning, and I really want to get back to that. Now, moving on to number 4, I want to make a few new friends. I feel like when you get older, it's definitely quality over quantity. I just feel like it'd be cool to meet a few new people. Meeting friends out of college is kind of difficult unless you have a job where you have a lot of people working there, but I just want to challenge myself to see if I can make any new friends this year. It'd also be really great if these people are down to go to raves and festivals, because I am trying to find more people to do that stuff with. My 5th goal is to form deeper relationships with existing friends and also family, and also just invest more time and effort into these friendships. So just to set aside a little bit more time to hang out with people one-on-one or in group settings, obviously. Number 6 is about going to more outings and festivals and events. I feel like that stuff is so fun. I really enjoyed going to the festivals that I went to this year, and just being in like a big group setting, I feel like it was refreshing because I haven't really done that in a while. There are some festivals that I really want to go to. I know that some of them probably aren't going to be within this next year, but they are going to be on my list. Electric Forest in Michigan, guys. I'm trying to go to that at some point in my lifetime. Maybe there's a chance of going to Coachella this year, I'm not too sure. And something I'm really into is rave fashion and like festival clothing, so I just want to be able to express myself more and do more of that stuff and have like places to wear my outfits to. The 7th goal is to hit 10,000 followers on TikTok and also just be consistent with YouTube. I just decided to combine the social media goal into one. Just maybe 5 months ago or 4 months ago, I decided I would stop using TikTok completely, which I had been, I just never looked at it. But now I'm realizing that I kind of like it. I feel like it's fun. I really do like a lot of TikTokers on there. I feel like TikTok can be a little overwhelming because everyone's just pushing out tons of content, and it's definitely like quantity over quality sometimes, and I feel like that's what bugs me. So I kind of go back and forth with TikTok, but I feel like I should be utilizing that avenue just so I can get more faces on my YouTube channel too and just build my community. So far that's going to be a goal of just reaching 10,000. I'm just trying to discover like my niche and whatever I like to make on TikTok. Being consistent with YouTube is definitely a goal this year. I want to challenge myself to be able to film on work days too and not just save it for weekends, because I feel like that's a big downfall and why I can't stay consistent, because I save everything for a weekend and then if I have a social event that weekend then I just don't get anything done. Overall, I just want to be more consistent with social media in general, kind of throw on Instagram on the back burner, but feel free to follow me if you aren't already. My 8th goal is to make more money. I think I'm planning on getting a new job before 2022 ends, but in terms of just making more money throughout this year, it definitely will be just through social media. I'm pretty sure I do want to take more advantage of affiliate links and say yes to more brand deals. I feel like I get a decent amount, but at the same time, I'm only going to accept ones I really love. Really want to utilize my current avenues and just try to make more from them. Hopefully start making a little bit more on AdSense again. I really just want to make more money just so that I can spend more on experiences and also have more to invest in index funds. I do want to make a goal of investing $500 a month into index funds. The 9th goal is to travel to a new state or country, and for now it's probably just going to be state because I don't really think I'm going to have 3 weeks of time off to travel abroad, but if it happens, it'll happen. I was just talking about how I really think that you find peace in your daily routines and it's good to accept the boring parts of your life. I feel like Emma Chamberlain has talked about that too, of just like enjoying her peaceful life and not always having to go like hang out with people or go to parties and stuff like that. But I can say that traveling, it definitely is a mood booster for me. I feel like when you are in your routines, it gets a little mundane, but you do want to have like that refreshment of seeing a new place and meeting new people. You guys might have seen my San Diego vlog earlier this year. I definitely just felt reinvigorated after that trip. My 10th goal is to build a cohesive wardrobe. And if you know me, if you see what's in this closet, you know that my wardrobe is just in shambles. I really want to make an effort to acquire more pieces that are timeless and more neutral pieces. I just want to slowly acquire pieces, but not spend too much money either on just a few things that can help me build like that capsule wardrobe. Overall, I just want to have more like put together outfits. Number 11 is to cook more, and this is a big goal of mine because I feel like I've been really just taking the easy way out when it comes to food. I just eat whatever's around, but I want to challenge myself to pick some recipes on Pinterest and just make some new stuff, because you're not really living if you're just eating some bland food. There are so many yummy flavors out there, and I choose to eat rice with eggs. So my 12th goal is to learn a few new songs on piano and guitar. I just need to say that I'm obsessed with music, but I just don't do as much as I want to with it. This just means to carve out more time to practice, and piano I actually grew up playing. Guitar I picked up on my own. Hold up. I think that means I'm getting desperate. Anyway, I feel like that is this entire video. I hope you guys enjoy getting to hear some of my goals. Again, I would love to hear some of yours, so please leave in the comments if you want to. I kind of wanted to make this a series, have like it be glow up diaries, and this is just setting the goals for the year, and then the next one will probably revolve around fitness and health. So let me know if you'd be interested in having this as a series. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!